Yes, Father. Yes. Phobos recruited him into the... Phobos recruited him into the Olympian upstead. Phobos recruited him into the... Yes, Phobos recruited him into the astral section of the Olympian upstead to help in the siege of the terra firma during the 6th mass extinction event. So he's been using the basement to... No? Okay, I'll tell him to leave then. But can I ask why? I mean, he's helping us to... But there's a reason for him to be there. He's helping us to annihilate the mortal beings who resist the siege on the terra firma during the 6th... He's killing in your name, Father. That's why he's using the basement. Yes, Father. I will remove him from the basement. I will remove Freddy Krueger from the basement. I would also like to say, you kill people in that basement too. Yes, Father. I will obey your command. I would also... Yes, Father. I will obey your command. But I would also like... Yes, Father. I will obey your command. I would also like... You're watching the Jesus Show.